Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another quick video. So I'm here with my brand new Motorola G85 Android phone, and in this video I'll be showing you how to change the 3-button system navigation buttons to the swipe navigation gestures. Okay, so it's real simple to do. Just follow the steps that I'm about to show. So simply pull down the notification panel twice. Go into the settings and then scroll through all the way down until you see gestures. And then here you will see system navigation. Select it. Okay, so when you first get the phone, it's already set to 3-button navigation. That's these 3 buttons here. However, you can switch it to gesture navigation. So this is the swipe gestures. And beside it, you will see a little settings icon. And when you select the settings icon, you will have more options here. So the swipe assistant is already turned on. However, you can turn it off. And you can change the sensitivity for the left edge panel. And you can also change the sensitivity for the right edge panel. And down here, you will see the system navigation bar. You can choose to either show it or you can hide it. It's up to you. So as you can see, it's now disappeared. I like to show it, so let's bring it back. And as you can see now, it's reappeared. Okay, so to go back, you can swipe from any side, any panel. So you can swipe from the left edge or you can swipe from the right edge. It's up to you. So just go back by swiping from any edge. As you can see, I've gone back to the home screen. And if you want to launch the Gemini assistant, just swipe from the edge of the display, from the corner. And as you can see, it's now launched the Gemini assistant, as you can see. And if you want to bring up your recent apps, the task manager, just swipe from the bottom of the display here, where the navigation bar is. And just hold it. And as you can see now, our recent apps are showing up. And you can also use the navigation bar to swipe across to go through your applications. And if you want to go back to the home screen, just swipe up again. And it brings you back to the home screen. So yeah, that's how you use the swipe navigation gestures on the Motorola G85. And if you want to bring back those 3 buttons, the 3-button navigation buttons, just simply go back into the settings. And go back to gestures, system navigation, and just select 3-button navigation. And as you can see, the 3 buttons have now come back. So yeah, that's how you use the system swipe navigation gestures on the Motorola G85 Android phone. If you like the video, you already know what to do. Give it a thumbs up. Also share the video. It's your boy the Android Doctor, and I'll see you in the next one. I'm out. Deuces.